the three functions of money, and how money works in our economy. Money makes the world go round, and coins, bills, and digital money explained. Medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any future content. Now let's explore one of the most important topics in economics, money. We all use money every day, but have you ever stopped to ask what really makes something money? What gives it value and allows it to power the entire global economy? In this video, we will break down the three fundamental functions of money, with examples from history, daily life, and modern economics. Money isn't just coins, bills, or even digital numbers in your bank account. It works because it performs three essential functions simultaneously. 1. Medium of exchange. Money acts as a medium of exchange, making trade fast and easy. Instead of bartering, we can buy and sell goods efficiently using coins, bills, or digital payments. 2. Unit of account. Money serves as a unit of account, giving us a common measure to compare the value of goods and services. It helps us understand prices and make informed decisions. 3. Store of value. Money functions as a store of value, allowing us to save wealth and use it in the future. Keeps purchasing power safe until we need it. Later, we'll even touch on a fourth function called the standard of deferred payment. But first, let's see why the first three are so crucial. Money equals medium plus account plus value. Imagine a world without money. A caveman wants shoes but only has fish. He needs to find someone who not only has shoes but also wants fish. This is called the double coincidence of wants, and it makes trade extremely difficult. Money changes this. It acts as a universally accepted medium of exchange. Today, we may pay with coins, bills, a card, or even our phone, but the principle is the same. Everyone accepts it because everyone knows it has value. Money solves one of the oldest problems in human history: how to trade efficiently, safely, and reliably. Function number 1, medium of exchange, solves double coincidence of wants. The first function of money is medium of exchange. It allows goods and services to be bought and sold easily. In a barter system, if one person doesn't want what the other has, trade fails. Money solves this by being widely accepted. For example, you can buy a coffee in a cafe, and the cashier can use that same money to pay for groceries, rent, or utilities. Money becomes a bridge of trust between people in an economy. Without this function, economies would collapse into chaotic bartering. Even today, countries facing hyperinflation, people often avoid using local currency because it no longer serves as a reliable medium of exchange. Instead, they turn to foreign currencies, gold, or digital assets. Function number 2, unit of account. The language of prices. The second function is unit of account. This means money provides a standard measure for prices. Without it, comparing goods would be impossible. Imagine going to a store and seeing prices listed as, this shirt equals 3 apples, or this phone equals 40 bananas. Money standardizes value, making it easy to compare, plan, and account for all goods and services. Businesses can calculate profits, governments can plan budgets, and consumers can make informed decisions. If this function fails, prices lose meaning, and economic activity slows down. A stable unit of account is fundamental for an organized, predictable economy. Function number 3, store of value. Money preserves purchasing power. The third function is store of value. This is what allows you to save money and spend it later. If you earn $100 today, you expect to use it tomorrow or next month with roughly the same purchasing power. However, in countries with rapid inflation, money loses its value quickly. A loaf of bread might cost $1 today and $5 next week. When this happens, money no longer works as a store of value, forcing people to seek alternatives like gold, foreign currencies, or digital assets. A reliable store of value is essential for saving, investing, and long-term economic planning. True money performs all three functions. Not everything can serve as money. Gold is great at storing value, but you can't buy coffee with it. Bitcoin can be transferred digitally, but its price fluctuates wildly, making it a poor store of value at times. Modern fiat money performs all three functions most effectively. To be truly money, an asset must act as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value simultaneously. Bonus, standard of deferred payment. Some economists also include a fourth function, standard of deferred payment. This refers to money's ability to settle debts over time. If money is trusted, measurable, and stable, it can be used to make loans or pay installments. This function depends on the first three to work properly. Healthy money equals healthy economy. When all three functions work together, economies thrive. People trade confidently, save for the future, and plan effectively. If any function collapses, like during hyperinflation or currency crises, the effects ripple through the entire system. Strong money supports growth, stability, and prosperity worldwide. Thanks for watching. To summarize, money works because it is a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. These three functions shape the way we trade, save, and plan in the modern world. Understanding them is key to understanding economics itself.